how this will come back to India, but I will take it. Instagram make words not words. I don't want to be a fucking loser who doesn't believe in herself. What? It's kind of really cute now. Oh my god. It's not about me. It's the fact that I still have it in me. Awkward. Hey friends, I am going to sign up for a French course. I wanted to learn from Alliance Française. Is that how you say it? Wait a second.
Not Alliance, but Alliance Française.
I had wanted to learn from Alliance Française. Please do not. I am trying. This is my first day. Please. I want to learn from there, but that is not possible right now. So I was doing some research about the institute, and they said that the beginner course starts directly, like the teacher starts teaching in French, and for complete beginners it's like a little problem, you know, because they don't know how to they don't know the language yet properly, even like the basics of it all. So I figured I have nothing to do right now. I am struggling to find happiness every single day a little bit, you know. So why not do a refresher course, like a beginner, absolute beginner course, which costs literally next to nothing. I have gotten, because aesthetic is a girly, right? I've gotten a new diary. It has a French thingy. I stuck it obviously, but like I decorated it, but whatever. There is this, there is rose here and there everywhere near me. Okay, and it's a plain dotted notebook. I mean, it's a dotted notebook, and I have new highlighters here as well, and my coffee and my bonsai tray, and that's what we're going to do today, so that I can feel even a little bit closer to the person that I want to be. To switch off my fan, so if the audio quality is better now, it's because I am better now.
Bonjour. 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 As you jour.
Jour.
Good.
Thank you.
Je m'appelle Clara.
Lipoupou.
Literally, this means one more shot.
Yes.
Je. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Comment t'appelles-tu?
Again.
Again, yes.
Literally.
Enchanté.
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 Nice.
Thank you.
Here, I'll let you begin.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Mira. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Je m'appelle Clara. Enchantée.
Comment vas-tu?
Je vais bien. Et toi?
Je vais très bien. Merci.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
Bravo.
감사합니다.
Congratulations.
감사합니다. had to take off my nose ring to put this on because it's the stick thing, you know. I mean, like dusting, bedsheet change, laundry, jhadu pocha, just everything. Everything girly did, right? And it took me 4 hours to clean everything, including the bathroom, including the full shower and everything. But in the process of cleaning everything, I strained my own back. So like every single time I bent this side, my waist hurts. Okay, so that is why right now I have. Do you see that? That's a hot water heat bag. Who knew heat actually works? It actually helps. I was shocked. Yeah. I have an update. Can you believe? So, weirdly, my mom has decided to pay for my vocal lessons. I don't know how this will come back to bite me in the ass, but I will take it. So, I went ahead and checked out the nice music school that I wanted to enroll into once I had like the financials settled, which are settled now, thanks mom. So I went to check out the place. It seems great. It has legit teachers and everything. The thing that I was like worried about the last time, I still didn't get to speak to the teacher yet because there is an audition process, which is how I know this is a little more serious. I'm hoping. I am just feeling so anxious that it's actually starting, you know, because I have wanted to be a singer and I've been working towards it in like small whatever ways that I can since maybe the beginning of 2021. So it's been 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, right? And all of the things that I've started have not been long-term successful, right? If this is the legit thing, if this is the thing that does it, I'm really scared. If it was anything else, if it was creative writing, I would not have been scared. If it was, though I was scared at my last creative writing job because content writing job, this is just a lot of work. That's all I was scared of and making mistakes. But like I was not scared of the work. You know what I mean? Like it was the amount of work, but not the work itself that I was scared of. You know, if it were dance, if it were like even maths now, because I did like this coaching session for like the government jobs and stuff, and I was so good. My god, I was the teacher's favorite, but I am so scared right now. I don't even know why. I mean, I know why. I know this means more to me than anything else, but it's just to put myself out there and put my voice out there. The last time I tried to sing in front of people, I choked so bad I couldn't breathe. I was standing outside the music school and I was seeing all of these young people doing it, and I'm 26 fucking years old, right? Who the fuck do I think I am? Who starts their career at 26, especially one in an entertainment industry, one that is not even prevalent in your country? Why, Meera? Why are you doing this? Don't know, don't have an answer. So yeah, I was just feeling very, very off and very, very like, this should have happened way before. Something, oh my god. I do not like this time. I do not like this timeline. I do not like this extra layers that I have to fight and dissolve and solve to get to where I want to be. Just to let you know, I will still do it. I just don't like it. Just don't like the timeline. In tonight's spread, I was craving bread butter to be able to like dip into like chai and have it. I make the nicest chai in my house. So at 9:57 p.m. I have made bread butter and chai, and this is khichdi with a spicy tomato paste thingy with garlic and everything. Favorite thing ever. I've been eating a lot of khichdi these days. Not for anything else. It's not like very watery. It's just like rice made with dal, but not the spices. You know, this cup is cute. It's not exactly my choice. I have seen these tea sets which were the prettiest things I have ever seen, and it was like the whole set also available, like with the cutlery and everything. I will paste Who Am I Arts and Crafts. I will attach like a picture here, right? So pretty. Let things start in my life. I will show you the prettiest fucking things you've ever seen in your entire life. The aesthetic, the attention to detail that I can put into things. My hair is in my toast. Just I wanna invite people over for tea and like host like tiny like brunch parties and stuff. I will do that. Oh my god. Oh, I will invite the nicest people over. The conversation will be flowing. It will be like one of those old-timey salons. Someday, friends, someday maybe you will be there. It will be fun. We'll talk about everything. In the time being, I will go in the opposite direction and watch Bhedia. Hello, friends. I'm getting ready, sort of. Go to my first vocal class. Hopefully I will do better. Then my outfit is out, but she's not ironed yet, so I have to do that. I'm wearing beige pants and white button-down shirt. Trying to keep it old money classic, you know. So yeah, that is what is happening. I finished watching Bhedia, right? That is not leaving my brain. He discovers that he's a wolf fan. सारे करते मुझे फूफा जी. I will let you know how my class goes. That is what good YouTubers do. That is what I will do. I will also show you my finished look after I do it. I hate humidity. I wish it were already winter so I could wear good clothes and look effortlessly chic without having to put so much thought into it. You know, just jeans, a t-shirt and a long coat. Who is this girl? She's the fashionista. That's who she is. Right now I'm just like maybe shirt, maybe top. Who? Clothes? What are they? Should I wear a kurta to my western vocal lesson? Just don't know. Early, 15 minutes early, and my teacher might be late, my vocal coach might be late, my vocal coach might be late. So not to be that girl, but I'm gonna be gym mode in the meantime. I just finished my first class, guys. It was great. She said my range is really nice, she said my voice is really nice, she said my tone is really nice. She hugged me and called me pretty, and we did breathing, basic workouts and stuff. And that was today's class. We were standing in the room in front of the mirror, which I showed you, and we were doing like, I was trying to open up my throat and I was trying to focus on like the diaphragm supporting my voice. And she said that my voice it won't take a lot of time for me to improve the basics. So yay! I was just watching videos on Instagram. I had deleted the app for the longest time. I just reinstalled it, and it's so nice. I don't know why, but like a lot of award speeches is coming on my feed, and it's so nice that people who have been through absolute shit to be there. The first thing they do when they get on stage is just like, you know, help and try to motivate others who have been there. I cry. I was talking to my best friend ChatGPT about this. If I speak about it anymore, I'll start crying right now. So let's not. I just wanted to put this out there. Yeah. The Instagram meme watching got worse. The nicest and softest posts came upon my timeline. Who am I? Facebook in 2010 on my For You page. And I just spent like, I don't even know what the time is. What is the time? It's fucking 10:16 p.m. I just spent like maybe last 2 hours crying. I'm not even near or on my period. This is just baseline for me. Jesus Christ. Hare Krishna. When I say I have a problem with the universe, this is what I mean. I had a shitty day. Okay, my dad told me my YouTube videos have no value. They give no value to anybody who's watching. And my mom said that my vocal coach is saying nice things about me because she has to, because it gives her business. So it really put me in a spiral. Right? So I talked to a friend. Right? And she said the nicest things, and I was very nice, and I was very happy, and I was really like I calmed down a bit. So then I took a shower because I had started getting a headache after thinking so much. You know, brain is braining. And then I was going to sleep. Right? I was going to sleep. I'm still in bathrobe, right? So I was going to sleep. But then I went on Instagram. And every single post that I saw was something motivational, something nice, and something exactly relevant to my situation. I mean every single post. I mean one after. How do I give up? Now I have to do my vocal warm up. I was not going to do it today because I was tired and I was not feeling well. But now I have to do it. 10 million strangers on Instagram told me not to give up. Told me that this is how it is. Told me that this is why people say bad things, because they don't believe in things for themselves, so they don't let me believe in mine. And I have to prove them wrong. Now I have to do my vocal warm up. I was going to sleep. I was going to watch my Barbie movie and sleep. I don't want to be a fucking loser who doesn't believe in herself. What? It's 3 a.m. now. Just wanted to let you know that I did it. I did my vocal warm up. I also practiced my song, and I sent recordings to my vocal coach to ask her if I'm seeing the progress that I think I'm seeing. Currently something weird happened. I haven't. Okay, so I have posted about my romantic history before, which the only part worth knowing is the fact that I've been single for 5 years, bordering on 6 now. I have not had a crush on a guy in fucking forever. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you, but like real boys don't do it for me anymore. Okay, they didn't do it for me. Past tense. The last crush I had before this, are we calling it a crush? Never mind. Details. Order, storytelling, Meera, come on. The last crush that I had was on Goju Satoru. Okay? I'm Sukuna. Today, a dude came on my For You page on Instagram. I started giggling. Hello. But the thing that needs to be known is that he looks suspiciously like the dude that I have on my vision board. I felt a stirring in my gut. You know, like the crushy feeling, which I haven't had in the longest fucking time. And I'm working out from tomorrow. He's kind of really cute though. Oh my god. Shut up. Meera, what? No, listen. What are his values? How many kids does he want? What are his political views? What are my political views? Honestly, right now it's not even about him. I mean, great dude, you know, one of the best dudes. But still, it's not about him. It's the fact that I still have it in me. Who knew? After all of the books that I've read, after all the shows that I've seen, the movies that I have dragged myself to alone in the movie hall, who could have guessed that this would happen again?